Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're in the backyard garden. Going to be making some in-ground beds. Going to be filling up my raised beds. I'm going to show you my process and how I get it done. Let's go for a ride. Well, I'm up here and this is what I'm going to get today. It's pretty good stuff. So they call it garden soil. So I'm going to be getting that. And they have over here this sandy, they call it sandy topsoil. And so I think maybe at some point I may get a mixture of both. I mean, I like the way it holds, you know. That'll hold some nutrients really, really well. And I think that this mixed with that over there would make a pretty nice mix. Yeah. All right, let me go inside and get somebody to come out here and scoop some up for me. All right, we're all loaded up, ready to head back to the house.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we're finding there's more than one way to go home. I know you're tired of this pattern.
All right, we're back. Time to do some heavy lifting. Probably gonna have to come out of this jacket, but I'm gonna get to filling these beds. There's probably about 6 inches that needs to be filled, but I'm not gonna probably fill it up all the way. This one will be close. That one right there, I won't fill up all the way at all. But I think a good 5 or so inches of this garden soil will be just right. And there's a few things that I want to do to these beds prior to filling them up. Is I want to fertilize. So since I'm using organic fertilizer in here, I want to put it down now. That way, you know, because these winter months, the organic fertilizer doesn't actually work as fast or as well. So I probably won't plant these until late March, early April. So they're gonna sit for a little while. So that'll give time for the organic fertilizer to break down and do its thing. And I'll also put some more down when I go to plant as well. All right. Well, the first thing y'all already know I got my blood meal and bone meal over here. So I'll be putting that down. This is something that you haven't really seen me use. It's Humachar. which is humic acid and biochar, okay? I got something really special planned for this bed, and I only use this on the special beds, okay? I can't let it out the bag yet of what I'm gonna be planting here, but yeah, it's gonna be something special right there. So I spread it out with this little cup right here. You don't have to put a lot down. Just spread it out. Let it do its job. All right, so that should be good on that. And then we're gonna put a nice coating of this down here. I want to cover this whole bed real nice. Man, I gotta sit down for a second and let y'all see these new boots that just came in my mailbox today. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all in here real close, real tight on the new boots that your boy got. Hey, they just came in the mail today. I'm already working in them. That's what they made for. These are Brunt. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Brunt workwear boots. I'll pop it up on the screen as well. Awesome boots. Let me get you turned around on the profile here. Got the Brunt on the side right there. Look at that, waterproof, comfortable boots. Very stylish looking as well. These are the Brunt toe boots, and they are called the Marin Brunt toe boots. So these boots right here are the 6-inch Marin Brunt toe, and they are amazing. They also have an 8-inch. Oh, and don't think I'm not wearing my Camel City Mill socks. Yahoo! You ain't catching me without wearing them jokers. That's not gonna happen. But super comfortable. The soles, they have this sole where there's an extra sole down in the bottom of it, right? And so when you buy them, you put them on. If it fits tight, you take both soles out, and so there's a top sole and a bottom sole. You take that bottom sole and leave it out and put that top sole back in there. Man, these things fit like a pitcher's mitt. Somebody been using them for about 15 years. They already feel broken. As you can see, you see that right there? Like there's no hard, you know, it's just broken in already, man. I love them. I love them. Man, these things got your boy feeling like the first day of school. Woo-hoo! Y'all go ahead and pick up some Brunt workwear. They also have other types of workwear. I'm going to put the link in the description. It'll be right below the description. The first affiliate link that you see is going to be Brunt workwear.
The sun stops it shining. You know you'll have a hand to hold as we wait on the timing. Together
I'm also going to put some down on these roads.
More than one way to go home.
I won't do as much. These beds aren't going to sit as long because they're getting some cool season crops in there, so I don't need to put down as much.
I know you're tired of this pattern. 1 up and 3 below. When you're chasing after what matters, your heart knows where to go. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining. You know you'll have a hand to hold as we wait on the timing. Together we find it. There's more than one way to go home.
I think that's about where I want it. Well, I got those beds as filled as I need to. You might see that I'm still a little low over here, but don't worry, I got a plan. I got the beds amended. I got them topped off, and now I'll just leave those like that. I may put some cardboard over them. If I can find some cardboard, I might just put some over top of that just to keep the overhead weed pressure down, and those are ready. Those are ready for when I plant. Like I said, I probably won't plant in these until March, April, maybe early April. I'll plant in these. I still got a good bit of compost left. So that took about half of it maybe. So that's not bad. And I'll take some of this and I'll put it down over on that trellis, over on that trellis, and then in these two beds right here, I'll top off with this as well. And then this backyard garden is ready. It's ready. I will put some in those raised beds down there as well. I got to do a walkthrough with you guys to show you what made it through the snow and what didn't make it through the snow. I'll probably do that in the next video, but I'm gonna put down some of this in those raised beds as well.
scared I fear what comes after.
So right here, I put down some of that garden soil. That's where my super sweet snap peas are going. And then I topped off these 2 rows right here, which I think they're getting cabbage and kale. And then this bed, which is getting the mystery crop, along with that bed right there. And then back here where the cucumbers are going, I got this one right here set up. So this one will sit until right after the last frost. These will sit a little bit longer. These right here won't sit too long. As soon as I already got the seeds started in there, I started them on my last video. And so once those seeds get up and ready, they'll be going in here. And the sugar snap peas are going in today. As soon as I get done with this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the ground. All right, well, that's it for the video. We got a lot of good work done today. Got these beds prepped. I really am looking forward to planting in these jokers. Don't forget, check out those boots by Brunt Workwear. That 6 or 8 inch Marin Brunt toe boot. I'm telling you, they the truth. Got my feet feeling like I'm wearing pillows. You know what I mean? I'm gonna link it in the description. It's gonna be the first link you see. And y'all already know. Just keep on doing the YouTube stuff. Y'all the real MVPs. Y'all are the real MVPs. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'm out.